How to Draw Cartoons with John-Marc. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to my lesson on teaching you how to draw a cartoon. Today's lesson, we're going to be doing this little skinny shark. I thought of changing up a little bit with my heavy set sharks that I've always done in the past. So first thing, as you notice, I'm sketching out the basic elements as I share from time to time. Actually on all my videos, and what I'm doing here right now is just giving that like a banana shape. I'm just building visually what I have done it from a previous drawing I have. So this isn't the first time I've drawn this little shark. So I'm actually looking at a model sheet on another screen when I'm drawing this to help me share with you. Sometimes I just do random objects or elements or sharks or fish or what have you, but this time I'm using a model sheet. And anyway, so let's get back to the lesson. As you can see, I have the basic body, the fins, the mouth laid out right now, and the back of the tail. And now I'm working on the eye right now. And this is just a simple sketch, really just getting your thoughts down and just watching your eye-hand coordination when you're developing is a technique when you're looking at a model sheet and going back and forth and analyzing. It's kind of like a life drawing test, basically. Alright, so here we are getting just about most of the elements all in place. And let's just fine tune a little bit more. Let's get a little heavier again, a little darker. There you go. I think what I'll do later today is I'll actually color this in with colored pencils, and I'll share how I do that live as well, not traditionally what I'm doing on the computer. As you can see, I normally take all my colors and bring them back onto Photoshop, but this time I'll try to do a real version with my colored pencil. So let's get here now, just following the shape again, just getting a little darker. And at the very end of this video, I actually cleaned up the actual shark. But you know what I think I'll do is I'll actually print this out and I'll actually put it on my website that you guys can actually practice coloring and do the step-by-step as well. So make sure you stop by my website. That's jmg-studio.biz. That's B-I-Z. Alright, so as I'm shading in the rest of the little shark here right now, just giving the basic shape and tone to it, a little darker fin at the tip, black tip there, going all the way around. There we go. That's looking good. Let's shade that in a little bit more. And there we go. And at the back, the other fin on the other side, I'm going to make that a little darker and shade that in so it's kind of like on the other side of it that you can actually see. There you go. That's looking good. I like that. Alright, a little darker on this top fin there. And as I share, always please use your creativity. So if you want to change your shark and make him a little beefier or change the eyes or the fins, absolutely do it. This is just to give you an understanding what I do when I'm sketching, so that when you're sketching, you can follow the same tips and techniques that I learned from master artists from that actually worked with Disney in the past, and a lot of other fine artists too. Sketching is an art, and I want to really share with you, because a lot of lessons online right now, they're not teaching typical sketching, and that's not what I want you to learn. I want you to learn the proper way. So I'm just creating some basic shapes, and for the coral reef on the bottom, create a little ground level. I'm just creating some elements right now, and this is just made up, or if I looked on a lot of my old drawings that I've used for my friendfish series, this shark isn't part of my friendfish series at all. This is just a little skinny shark that I just wanted to show. I'm just shading in right now different levels. Let's create a little smaller one over here, separating that out. Alright, so here we go. Little rock there, that looking good. Another one in the back. Alright, little one on the side over here. Yep, I like that. That's looking good. Little seaweed here and there. And a little one over there. I think we're just about done. So let's sign and date. As always, thanks for watching this video, and make sure you watch it till the very end, because you'll see the cleanup version, and then later today I'll try to create a live version of me coloring that shark in. Alright, so here's the one that I just did with you, and now stay tuned and you're going to see the actual, there you go, the lighter one. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day. our website, jmg-studio.biz. If you like this lesson, you'll find others like this on our site. We even have a store that has our drawing books and many other goodies. Thanks for the support.